The Substance and Evidence of My Faith by Kathy Edwards. For those of faith, may you be strengthened, and for those with no faith, may you be inspired. Why is my faith important? Mark 11:20-24. As they were walking back in the morning, they saw the fig tree withered from its roots. Peter remembered it and said, "Look, Rabbi, the fig tree you cursed has withered." "Have faith in Yahweh," Yahshua said to them. "Truly I tell you that if anyone says to this mountain, 'Be lifted up and thrown into the sea,' and has no doubt in his heart, but believes that it will happen, it will be done for him. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." What is faith exactly? Hebrews 11:1. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. My constant reminder of my faith. Here is both substance and evidence that whatever appears to be impossible, there is nothing impossible with Yahweh. Acknowledgements. Yahweh and his son, Yahshua the Messiah, for anchoring me in my faith. Faith Counts for allowing me to share my faith. RestorationStudyBible.com for the scripture references. BoardPanda.com and the article Life Finds a Way, 24 Plants That Just Won't Give Up, and Dreamland Media for the artwork. Thank you.